everybody, I'm John.
And I'm Sherry.
Right here at John Howerton Honda in Beckley.
Take a ride in the 2018 Journey. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, daytime running lights, fog lights, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find airbags, driver, knee, cruise control, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, child safety locks, multifunction display, power steering, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows, one cargo area light. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.
Hi everyone, I'm John Howerton with John Howerton Honda right here in Beckley. I feel so blessed with all the great folks I've met. And you know, a dealer will come along every once in a while and beat our price or payment by just a teeny little bit. But you know what? They'll never beat our people here and our willingness to help you before and after the sale. Because here at John Howerton Honda, it's all about relationships.
Hey, John.
Hey, Pete. I'll be with you in a second. Sorry, I got to go. I want my cup of coffee. Hey, come see us.